Step 1. Let's add a new box collider to our floor plane. Let's also make sure to scale it correctly and set its trigger to true. Step 2. Create a new C# script and call it restart zone. Next, we want to open up our restart zone script and add some variables. The first being a game object called APR root. Second, a rigid body array, I'm calling this all rigids. And third, a vector3 called stored velocity, or val for short. Now, inside of our photon manager, we want to change our list of spawn points into a static list because this will enable us to access this list in other scripts from our game. Next, inside of our restart zone, we're going to create a new method for onTriggerEnter. For any of the objects that has currently entered this trigger, we want to check that if the current layer is 10, then we want to add or get the root component, and we want to make sure that we get the APR controller from that root. Next, we want to set our APR root game object, and then after this, we want to make sure that we populate our rigid body array. And then after this, we want to iterate over our array and set our stored velocity equal to that of the current rigid body velocity. And then the current rigid body is kinematic. We want to make sure that is set to true. After this, for our APR root, we're going to set the local position equal to vector3.0. And then after that, we want to get our normal position and make sure we set that to a random point inside of our photon manager. This is when we set the spawn points to static, so we are now able to use this within this script. After this, we want to do the opposite of what we did above for our rigid bodies. We want to make our current rigid body that we were iterating over is kinematic to false, and then we want to set its velocity to our current stored velocity. Next, we just want to add that script into our floor game object. And now, if you have followed the tutorial up until this point, we should now have respawning successfully added into the game. If you jump off the edge and you fall onto the slime at the bottom of the map, you will now respawn at one of the random spawn points that we have set inside of our level. Hey all, Lawrence from Express Unity. Now, I just wanted to give a big thank you to all of you who have been watching my videos and supporting me. We've recently made it over 1,500 subscribers, and that just blows my mind that we have gotten to this milestone. And yeah, I just wanted to give a huge thank you to all of you. I really appreciate the support that you guys have been giving me, and I do hope that my tutorials are helping you guys understand multiplayer and networking. I do want to kind of keep my tutorial format how I've been doing it for the Fall Guys videos. I'm just really enjoying editing them and just keeping them short and to the point, and I hope you guys like them like that as well. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Comment down below what you think and what you want to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.